I am actually enjoying it. I originally just took it as like a side class. I thought it was going to be very basic, very simple, but it's actually not. It's very intricate. They teach you all the different lightings, the shutter speeds, the different angles and stuff on your cameras to make it to where your picture comes to life. And she gives us creative freedom to do whatever we wish. She doesn't box our ideas. She's like, you want to do this? Go ahead. Show me how you want to do it. And she lets us go with it. It's actually really fun. I enjoy it.
We offer 2 photography classes. This is Photo 1, Arts 2356, and it's digitally based. So the students work digital cameras, processing in our Mac lab, but they still learn the basics of photography, aperture, shutter speed, ISO, how to use the camera as a tool to create beautiful images.
Best thing is, try it out. Because at first, I originally just did it as like an elective. I was like, it's gonna be easy class, whatever. And it is actually very, very fun. And it's practical. You can do it in the real life world if you want to be a studio one where you just take pictures in the studio. If you want to be a outside photographer where you do all nature. Media, if you're doing interviews and stuff like that, she goes over how to do that. She goes over the blanket aspect of how you would use this in the real life application. From food, doing it in the food, from interviews, from everything. You have her questions, she will answer it for you.
You know, we're here in the computer science building, then we're working here in the studio, then the academic building. So I think sometimes people forget about us, but we're here. And the one thing that does help us is students can take Photo 1, which is what this class is. It is part of the degree plan for the commercial art program.